Hi everyone and welcome back to Maths and Physics with Mr. Simons. Today's grade 9 geometry lesson comes from November 2016 and November 2017 past exam papers. We're looking at where we have test exterior angle of a triangle and solving for x generally, right? So there they've given us CAB as a triangle and they've extended a 2E, right? That's the exterior angle of a triangle. There inside the triangle I have two angles, right? So the exterior angle never equals the angle next to it, but the two angles added inside must equal the exterior angle of the triangle. So 5.2.1, they say calculate the value of x, give reasons for your answer. So we're testing, can you add those two equal to that and solve for x? Then once you have the value of x, they want the actual size of CAB. So there's C, AB, so they want this angle here, A being in the middle there, gap, so therefore the angle in the middle A. And then from there, what type of triangle ABC is, give a reason. So we have to find the different lengths of the triangle so that we can see if it's scalene, equilateral, or isosceles triangle, right? So let's solve the first problem. So number one, calculate the value of x. So 2x minus 48 plus x minus 14, you see there? Must equal 116 degrees, and my reason, exterior angle of a triangle equal the sum of the two opposite interior angles, right? So not the one next to it, but the other two angles in the triangle. 2x plus x gives me 3x, minus 48 plus 14 would give me minus 34, equal 116. If I take negative 34 across, it becomes plus 34, so 116 plus 34 would give me 150 degrees. From there, 150 divided by 3 would give me x equal to 50 degrees. So the size of x here is 50 degrees. One mark there for understanding. To add that to and equal to the exterior angle of the triangle. Second mark for reasoning exterior angle of a triangle. And third mark for solving and finding x equal to 50. Right? Now, second one, calculate the actual size of CAB. So CAB, the letter in the middle is always where the angle is. So there we have 2x minus 48. So we know that x is 50. So in the place of x, that becomes 2 times 50 minus 48. Right, so 1 mark for correct substitution. So that gives me 100. 2 times 50 equal 100 degrees. 100 minus 48 gives me 52 degrees. So this angle here would be 52 degrees. Alright. Second mark for correct answer. Third, what type of triangle is ABC? Give a reason for your answer. So ACB, remember angles on a straight line. 180 minus 116 gives me this angle as 64 degrees. Right? If I take ABC, 50 plus 14 also gives 64. So I have 64 and 64. Right? So I have two angles that's the same. Therefore, I have two sides that's the same. So AB and AC would be equal to each other there. Sides opposite the angle. So this 64, it's opposite AC, that's 64, it's opposite AB. So AB and AC are equal. Therefore, that's called a isosceles triangle. Right? So I hope you follow. Look at the second problem. So again, they've given us TSR and T is extended to Q. Calculate the value of X. Give reasons for your answers. Then calculate the actual size of angle QSR. Right, so again, we're going to first find, so there I can assume you can see exterior angle. It's never equal to the one next to it, but the sum of the two opposite interior angles. Alright, so 2x plus 35 plus 3x minus 10 must equal 140 degrees, 1 mark. The reason, exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle equal the sum of the two opposite interior angles. 2x plus 3x gives me 5x. Right, 5x 35 minus 10 gives me 25 equal 140. If I take plus 25 over, it becomes minus 25. So 140 minus 25 gives me 115 degrees. And from there, 115 divided by 5 would give me x equal 23 degrees. So 1 mark there for the correct statement, adding the two correct angles equal to 140. Second mark for stating its exterior angle of a triangle. Here for simplification. And 1 mark for the final answer. Right, now they want the actual size of QSR. So there's QSR. So the letter in the middle. S represents the angle I must find, 2x plus 35. So QSR equal 2x plus 35. X there I know is 23. That's what I solved previously. So 2 times 23 plus 35 gives me 46 plus 35 gives me 81. 1 mark for substitution, 1 mark for final answer. Alright, so I hope you follow and you're with me. So make sure you know how to work with exterior angle of a triangle. Alright, I'm going to do some more if I find some more, but after this I'm going to be looking at your similarity exam questions, and then we will be looking at your congruency exam questions. Alright, God bless. Bye.